Here's a quick guide on how to take down sandwolves in LEGO Fortnite. Sandwolves are aggressive desert predators that usually attack in packs, so be prepared before engaging them. First, make sure you at least have an uncommon weapon like a sword or crossbow, and some basic armor for protection. Once you spot sandwolves, try to pull one away from the pack. Fighting multiple at once can get overwhelming fast. Dodge their lunging bite attack, then counter with quick hits. Timing your strikes after their attack keeps you safe. Sandwolves are weak against ranged weapons. If you have a crossbow or bow, stay at a distance and pick them off safely. Once defeated, they drop useful loot like sand claws and meat, which you'll need for crafting desert gear and tools, or just having a quick bite to eat. And that's how you take down sandwolves in LEGO Fortnite. Gear up, fight smart, and collect those drops. Hope this helped. Drop a like if it did, and check out my other LEGO Fortnite guides for more tips.